So, what's up, guys? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well, and welcome back. For my current subscribers, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so you're here because you want to learn how to get or build your credit with no credit card, right? All right. So you're trying to find out how to build your credit without a credit card. Maybe you didn't qualify for one. Maybe you don't want to get into that hassle of having a credit card, but that's the most common way and probably the most, I don't want to say easiest way, but the easiest route to build your credit because it's so available. Now, number one, I'll show you what I did, my path. It's different than most, but is paying down your student loans. Once you pay down your student loans, you'll be able to increase your credit score. So for me, coming out of college, I had about 5,000 in student loans, which for me that was awesome. That was great. Um, and I was able to pay that off, and my credit score just shot up like 50 points. I was in like the 720s, and it was awesome. I had never seen my credit that high, and it was thanks to working, saving, and yeah, that's what I did to increase to over 50 points. For some reason, I guess, well, the credit bureau likes you paying in lump sums. So when you pay a heavy payment, it'll increase it maybe like 10 or 20 points. I've seen that because I've done that. So number two, if you don't want to pay down your student loans, or if you don't know you don't have student loans, you could get a car. If you're in the need of a car, just go to a used dealership, get one in between 5 to 10,000 is usually the range where the cars are pretty decent and they'll last you for the next 3 to 4 years, and they'll be pretty well. Now, I recommend that you check the cars, before you drive them off the lot. If you have a friend that's a mechanic, take them. Make sure that they check everything that they need to check: oil, the motor, how it drives, brakes, tires, and everything else. Make sure that everything is fine. Now, I'd suggest you have a down payment, preferably maybe like 10 or 20% of whatever the value of the car is. And this will help you, bring down your monthly payment, and you set it up for what, 4 or 5 years, and you'll probably be paying between $50 to $150, maybe even less, or more. But if you're paying more than 150, I wouldn't recommend it because they are robbing you. So once you have that, you can slowly start building your credit and maybe saving up some money on the side and then paying it off, or upping your monthly payment so you can pay it off quicker. Or once you build your credit, you can sell it, and once you sell it, you can pay that off, and it'll actually boost your credit as well. Now, number three, it's gonna be Mission Assets Fund lending circles. Now, this company is I believe, a non-for-profit. It's a way for you to build your credit. And honestly, Hispanics and my African people, they, I played this. I have a friend who knows what this is as well. It's where you pay $100 every month. you pick a month and they'll pay you $1,200, and you keep paying till the whole cycle is done. And yeah, that's how you get your turn. So basically, what this company does, they set up something similar to this. In Spanish, we call it pasanaco. For where I'm from, uh, my friend told me that in West Africa it's called susu. Correct me if I'm wrong, or let me know down in the comments what you guys call it. Um, and I think this is amazing because if you want to build your credit, you can actually play this cycle. And it's like you have a savings account that you're putting $100 every month into, and then you'll get that money back. And you can get it even before that. And I think that's amazing that you can report that on your credit score. It's mind-blowing, the stuff that people are coming up with to help people. And I think that this is an awesome website. And by the way, I am no way, shape, or form sponsored by this company. If you want to do this, I'll put a link down in the description. Now, number 4, I think everybody does this because everybody needs somewhere to have a roof over their head. So if you're renting, ask your landlord to report your payment to one of the credit bureaus. I believe it's Experian. They will have that option available for them, but your landlord has to report your payment. So maybe if you're cool with your landlord, tell them about your situation, you're trying to get your credit up, and let them know. Maybe you can set up something with them and they can report it. And this is good as well for, if you're investing into real estate. That's something to think about because you can help your tenants. And I think when you're investing in residential or commercial buildings where people will need to have a shelter, I think this is one of the best features because you're helping them build their credit if they're paying on time. And, you're held responsible, and you're helping your community. So I think this is an awesome way to build your credit. So, all right, guys, and that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video, and if you're a new subscriber, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe. All right, guys, stay safe, stay blessed.